Okay, let's go again. So, let's see. AaKooTripla6. Try this Morris Smith again. Does he take? Is he going to take? No. Okay, he's giving me that sensor which might be useful. What about a quick H4, H5? There's a lot of lag on his side, isn't there? Bishop E3, Bishop C4. I think H4 would concern him. So if he has to play that, then okay, he's weakened a bit. G5. So maybe even knight G5 just provoke more weaknesses. Even E5 here looks tempting. Just for knight D5 maybe. Where's the knight going? There's also bishop C4. But knight D5, there's queen A5, but then there's B4, so maybe knight D5 is not going to mate me over here. Okay. So before knight D5, what about queen C2? Or queen F3? Actually, queen F3 hits F7. Or bishop E3. Oh, that queen B6 is now justified. Queen C2 castles could be in trouble. What about bishop C4 there? There's bishop F5. Check doesn't do anything. I don't like that position. I would queen F3 castles, bishop C4, knight E5. It's horrible. Can't see anything good here. I suppose I'll play queen E2. Hope for the best. Bishop F4. If I can get to play bishop F4, that would hold out E5. Alright, maybe it's not that bad. So castles, bishop F4. That means I'm not losing B2, I'm holding up E5. If he plays bishop E5, maybe queen B5 check. Okay, might not be that bad. Queen E2 might be actually a good move. Okay, so now knight E5, there's queen A5 and there's no B4. So that's just bishop E3 now. Oh, it's horrible. Bishop E3. Just trying to hold up D4. Can just win a pawn now for nothing. This guy's got an 1893 bullet rating. 3 minutes 1769. He's been up to 2124, so he's actually near his peak rating on this. I can exchange off queens. Can I get a reasonable position? If he doesn't, if he plays bishop D7, maybe I'll just take here. Okay, I've got something on the F file maybe. If I just castle. Let's see. What can I generate here? A4 could restrain these pawns, so A4 might be useful actually. Restrain the pawns first. Then maybe knight B5. If this F pawn moves, then there's knight E6. Might not be that bad. Knight B5, if the knight moves is on B2, that's a problem. Okay. So, let's see. And he's on C3 potentially. So what about this move? That he's allowed it F7 attack. Using that knight on G5, otherwise it's not doing anything. So knight E5, maybe I'll drop it back to B3, that protects A4 a bit more. I think I'm back in the game after this. It looks as I'm back in the game after that horrendous looking position earlier. Although there's knight C5. What about just rook F7, bishop E6? That looks good. Knight takes, maybe not. Right, what do I want to do here now? Rook F2, I can play knight B5 after. Or bishop E5. The E pawn's sort of useful for this diagonal not being too sensitive. So I want to protect that and play knight B5 without losing a piece or anything. Or bishop B5. Just protect. Oh no, I'm definitely going to lose a piece if I carry on like that. Bishop B5 plays bishop C3 and bishop B5. Okay, so everything's a target. What about just evacuating? Going for F7. Pressure. So 1 minute and a half each. So A4 versus F7 battle. So knight A4, knight A4. Bishop E6 is coming up. Or knight F7. It's pretty solid actually with that knight on C5. So let's imagine knight takes A4. Knight takes A4. Let's say rook takes A4. Oh, now he's not solid. I'll take B4. Now I lose C3. I can just play knight takes E6 here. Or bishop takes E6 maybe better. And then take on G7, I think. So if I take on G7 or knight C7 wins the exchange. Rook E3, okay, I'll knight C7 to win the exchange. Okay, can I liberate now? I still want to hold on to that thing. I don't want to get too short of time here. I'm going to lose A4, I think, whatever happens. It's going to take... He's weakening my king. Goes into a pin. He's got B5 and there's might be B3 and there's bishop Z3. Oh, he's winning back the exchange. He plays bishop F3. No, we didn't see that. Okay, so there's this guy. Can I sort of trap that bishop? A little bit trapped. Get the rooks off with rook D4, rook D7, or C4 here. If I get B7, that try and get the rooks on the 7th. 34 seconds. Oh dear, I'm not going to lose on time, am I? With time lag. There's rook D7 coming up. or mate. After that move, that was close on the clock. That was a horrendous opening. What happened here? So this e5 is asking for trouble after queen b6. Ow, because my bishop's tied in. It's tempting e5, but it's no good. Horrible. The old f2 trick. So I managed to get something going anyway. Started blundering a bit. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks so much.